This is Claudette. Today I'm going to show you a quick, efficient way to cut your card bases. So what you're going to need to start with is your 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. What we're going to do is take it and we're going to score it down at 4 1/4. Then we're going to take it and put it down on this side, and that was on the 8.5 side. Now we're going to put it on along the 11 inch side, and we're going to put it to 5.5, and then we're going to go ahead and cut that down the middle. And this is great when you're going to create multiple cards. It's already cut and scored for you. And there you have your 2 card bases. For more tips like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button